When life feels like a burden, when you feel depression, when you feel the pain, that's a great time. You're holding a precious gem in your hands. That means that's a time for a change. That change doesn't come from outside. That change comes within. That means you need to inquire. You need to have an insight. You need to see the way you think. You need to see the way you behave. Once you see that, you can understand that. That means all the social pressures, all the dogmatic beliefs, all the patterns within you will dissolve through insight only. That is organic meditation. That is through life. Life is seeing itself through you. That means you and the life are the one, and the soul is manifesting into this world, articulating itself. Now you're aware. It was always the same way, but now you're aware. The more you're aware, the freedom arises. Then you do the right activity at the right time. The right activity arises spontaneously when it is needed to. And you will live with love, and the love will be you. Life, love, and the soul are united and one. They were never separate, and they live through a human being, which is you.